this week. Tongue tied to service like sharp preteen.
Fake snow slime recipe. Hi guys, in this video we'll make fake snow slime. For this you will need activator, glue, color, foam cubes and fake snow. Method: add 15 milliliters glue in the bowl. Don't add too much glue. Now add 10 milliliters water. Don't add too much water in it because slime will gonna be sticky. Mix it well and add 4 drops of activator. Now mix it again. Now add color. Here I'm adding transparentish red color. Slime is ready. Let's take out the slime from the bowl. Now I'll add fake snow in the slime. Mix it well. Now add German glue in the slime so it won't stick. Mix it well. Follow us on Instagram and subscribe for more amazing videos. Put slime in airtight container for 3 days. After 3 days,